The dedicated SolidWorks builder is automatically triggered by the user from the Genesis selection program. The sub-assemblies to build the configured system are selected from the SolidContact master library. One by one, each sub-assembly is set to the desired configuration for the system under construction and then set and fixed in place inside the model. The 3D model file is then renamed to match the selection program's unique ID. The file is then saved and checked into the EPDM vault, which automatically triggers the proper engineering design workflow. The finished SolidWorks model is made globally accessible to engineers and designers. Once the model is completed, the SolidWorks builder switches to create the drawing. The title block is filled in and the drawing file is saved in the EPDM vault with the 3D model file.